Alright. The topic of this video is how to clear cat in 6 months, 5 months, 4 months, 3 months, 2 months, 1 month. How much of a time you have? Can you clear it? Is it enough to clear cat with that amount of time you have left? Is it possible? Is it even worth it? Yeah, let's start it. So let me ask you one question, or rather, you ask yourself one question, and that is, do you have any other option than this other than giving cat? Do you have any other option to excel in life, or do you have any other option, not to excel in life, but do you have any other option than cat? If yes, then choose that. Obviously choose that and do well in that. Hand in hand prepare for cat as well. It will be like you have two odds of bets to choose from. Yeah, so, and if not, listen, if you have two choices, then do one thing, like which odds are better for you, better suited for you. Like if you prepare for cat, is the odds of clearing the cat better for you than doing the other thing? If yes, then choose cat. If no, then choose that, or else you can choose both also. If the answer is no, you have no other option, then listen to this, that quote unquote the best time to start was yesterday and the second best time to start is today, also known as jab jago tabhi savera. This is not a motivation line, guys, just a fact to anything in life. A person who started his preparation 1 year ago, even 10 months ago, even 2 years ago, he still has doubt that is it enough? Will I be able to crack cat in this much amount of time? At the same time, a person who started 7 months ago also, he thinks is it enough? The 10 months ago he thinks is it enough? But nobody knows the answer until you have given cat and the results have come out. Nobody knows how much time will be enough. A guy who has prepared for only 3 months, he might clear cat, and a guy who was prepared for a year, he might not clear cat. You never know how much time is enough until you have given the cat and the results have come out. Everyone thinks that the grass is greener the other side. Like he was preparing for 7 months, 9 months, 4 months more than me. He must be well versed in it. He should score good in cat from me. I have only 3 months, 4 months, 5 months. How can I prepare in that time? He has advantage over me, like this, that. They are cribbing about all of this stuff. End of the day, no matter how much time you have, you will still crib and you will not be satisfied with the time you have. You will be like, I have less time, he has more time. Think about the guy who is starting from a month ago. After 1 month, he has less time than you, but you're still cribbing. What is this? So stop cribbing and start preparing out of how much ever time you have. Dedicate it entirely towards cat. Give your into two efforts. If you give more efforts than the other guy, you can score better than him. There are people who score prepare for more than a year, right? And there are people who prepare for only 3 to 5 months. And the 3 to 5 month guy sometimes score better than the 1 year guy. Does that mean the 1 year guy didn't prepare? No, he did prepare. Does that mean the 5 month guy prepare way more than him? No, I guess they prepare the same, or a slight 19 to 20 difference it might be. But what changes is that in the exam day how he does. In mock he might be very bad, but at the exam day he might excel variously. There are various factors in even luck is comes to a certain extent is a factor, but the one who is disciplined enough, luck favors him. Obviously we all know that if you are disciplined, the luck favors you. To show up each and every day, it's hard, and the luck favors the hardworking guy. So don't worry about how much time you have, just start preparing and don't stop. Be disciplined, and I'm sure that you will succeed in whatever your aim is. And that's it for today, guys. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.